How many of you have heard the famous saying, you should add more protein into your diet? So you added more grilled chicken into your diet, wondering if you're doing the right thing. And so what is all that extra protein actually doing in your body? So let's discuss it. So what is a protein? Proteins are made up of amino acids. They're small building blocks, like the bricks that build a house. And those amino acids are bonded by chemicals to make various shapes of proteins, which serve various different functions within the body. So just like bricks can build different buildings that serve different functions, like gyms and schools and houses, etc. Same thing for the protein and amino acids. So there are two types of amino acids. Number one, essential. We must eat that because our body can't make them on its own. And two, non-essential, where the body can actually make it for itself. Once in the body, these amino acids hang out in a big trading spot. They're pulled for whatever function is needed. Okay, kind of like a pile of bricks. Some might be used for a walkway, others to build the house. So what does protein actually do in the body? Okay, it does a lot of things. It aids in growth and repair and replacement of dead and damaged cells. So it replaces skin cells after dead ones fall off. It transports substances, kind of like we described that Uber driver in the body. It balances out hormones by helping replace damaged cells and transporting needed substances throughout the body. It helps the body burn fat as fuel, okay? It helps with satiety after meals, helping the body feel fuller longer after eating. It helps to build a strong immunity system too, right? It's helping hands at building stronger cells to fight off disease and so much more. So the best way to reap those benefits of protein is to have it at every meal. Yeah, you can't have one giant protein once per day and expect it to do the trick. Each meal in proportional amounts of protein is the key. So what we want you to do today is to introduce different types of proteins. So we have an image attached below that's going to have all the different types of proteins that you can consume, and it's broken down into different sources. So number one, animal sources, number two, plant sources, and number three, protein powders. So keep in mind, no whole food is 100% of any of this, even protein, though animal-based and protein powders are pretty much all protein. But we'll explore this more throughout the week. For now, just sit tight, look over the options that you have, and here's what we wanted to do. Just look at that sheet, what looks familiar, does anything look unfamiliar, what foods have you consumed, anything that you didn't realize was protein that you thought was some other macronutrient.